face, and she ain't got no damn sense.
Come on now.
Come on now, we hungry.
Now,
I mean, come on now, you can't drink and eat. Come on now, you're gonna be roughing all over the place. Come on now. Nah. See, that's what happened to me last night.
No, see what happened to you? You ate too much.
It was just a cupcake, Tammy. One
lie.
cupcake, not the
Don't
whole
lie.
pan, Tammy.
Don't lie.
Not the whole pan.
Don't be lying.
This is our tallest member. We want to see your juice box too.
I got the smartest one.
Oh wait, who said you got the undercover one hiding inside? Don't tell nobody, but when you tell somebody, the whole world gonna know. I'm kind of hungry. Well, what happened was I'm drinking. Carol, say hi to Auntie Isa. Say hi. See, nice. Oh no, not the barbecue smoke. I don't want to get barbecue smell. Tammy, you look so sexy when you eat, Tammy. Girl, you make me want to eat.
See what it is then.
What happened was, I saw the chicken right there. And then it started multiplying in my head. How many chicken can I eat?
You gotta get all up in the bone. You take like
See, Halakala done taught her well. All up in the bone. So what we gonna do if it was a boneless chicken? I mean, what we gonna do? What we gonna do?
We're gonna take that boneless
and put a bone.
Tear it up like there is a bone in there.
Let me just eat it all without stopping.
So Isa, did you meet your brother talking to a girl?
One of them. I mean, they're sitting over there. If you see a little bit over there, let me zoom in, please. Let me do this. They zoom in right there.
No, that's one. That's one right there. And then if you turn this way, that's two right there. Excuse me, Miss Nelly. Yeah, Nelly. Okay, there's two. Oh, come on now.
Anybody got force?
Scoot over, man. I'm trying to take a picture.
Introduce the lady.
The newest members of the fan band. Until the new one come along.
Until another one come along. Just save that for another function.
Say hi, Kalinga. Hi.
You guys are coming back home?
Yeah. You see her? Oh, there they go. That's them two right there.
See that? That's them.
Yo, it's on Zoom. You can't be putting it on your face like that. It was Zoom.
Sorry.
Because they just got a whole introduction to how you look close up. JJ, what? You dark as hell.
You can't talk about me because you're right here.
I know, we're twins. See what we look like? Yeah. He look like me.
Yeah.
And he's happy about it. I mean, who wouldn't want it? Shut up. Just shut up.
I'm just getting me shoes for my birthday.
I'm getting him shoes for his birthday. When's your birthday? I'm going to get you your white and black Chuck.
14. You forgot my birthday. You lying.
The kids playing football.
Mommy, you're making her cry.
Oh, my God.
She don't like Samoans. Especially ones that dress like teenagers. I'm just joking, Mom. Don't kill me. We good. See, Tammy done came and didn't bring my husband with her.
See, what happened was, you know how all your sisters and your aunties be dressing like they teenagers?
Oh, man. Here's number one right here. With her curls. With her curls. She got all them juice box. They just flopping everywhere. Oh, my God. They just like bounce it. I like her. She gets a fork and everything. She gotta eat pretty, you know what I'm saying? It comes with the whole package.
And I know you've seen your Auntie Issa, right? Oh my God, girl. You know,
girl, and she got her legs crossed on the grass. I mean, who crossed their legs on the grass?
Hey, seriously.
I think we.
50 what?
How you gonna talk about your mama like that?
I always do that.
Maybe we should start taking notes. Yeah, right. Nah, we good. Huh? We're videoing for Isa. Would you like to say something?
A computer.
Where the hell is my black pearl? Tahitian pearl.
Pearls? We're talking about pearls
back
now?
over there. You ain't gonna buy her shit.
You can have her ass come get her herself.
If she want a pearl,
she can wear her ass in the grass and get her own damn pearl.
And then she get paid in black.
Because you know damn well they ain't got no black pearls.
Do they got black pearl?
Yeah, they
Oh, okay, never mind, Kim.
You don't know what she's talking about.
Because I got a pearl, but it ain't black. Yeah. Mommy, say hi. Mango juice. Oh, yeah. Mommy, Mango juice. Say hi to Isa. This is the teenager number 2.
You done make me drop my bone.
This is a medium version.